Hey everyone, for outdoor use, the JMGO P5 projector is a feature-rich, adaptable gadget. With a built-in battery that can last up to 5 hours on a single charge, it is an exceptional feature that makes it ideal for outdoor movie evenings or presentations. With its 1080p resolution and 450 ANSI lumens of brightness, the projector guarantees a sharp and colorful image even in outdoor environments. Additionally, it delivers realistic and vibrant colors for a captivating visual experience, encompassing 124% of the Rec. 709 color range. One of the unique appearance elements of the P5 is its shell-like water cup appearance, which allows for free adjustment of the projection angle. This flexibility makes it easy to position the projector for optimal viewing, whether you're projecting onto a flat surface or ceiling. Another notable feature is the P5's ability to function as a Bluetooth speaker. This dual functionality is perfect for playing music or amplifying audio during outdoor gatherings. Additionally, the P5 supports USB-C reverse charging, allowing you to top up the battery of your smartphone or other devices while on the go. In terms of technical specifications, the JMGO P5 comes with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage space, enabling you to store movies, music, and other content directly on the projector. It also features a built-in HDMI 2.1 interface and supports Wi-Fi 6 for a smooth and stable network connection. JMGO has recently introduced its latest offering, the P5 portable projector, in the Chinese market. This innovative projector is now available for pre-order on JD.com, starting at an initial price of 22.99 yuan, which is approximately $318. In addition, the projector has user-friendly features including low blue light eye protection mode to lessen eye strain during prolonged viewing periods, and automated seamless picture correction, which guarantees a clear and undistorted image. All things considered, the JMGO P5 projector is a fantastic option for outdoor entertainment and presentations, since it combines performance, adaptability, and ease. The JMGO P5 portable projector is an appealing option for customers searching for a flexible and superior projection solution, since it blends cutting-edge technology, affordability, and convenience. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.